this muffler pit crew. Muffler jobs like fucking hotcakes over here. The other muffler shops over here down the street are lactating.
Never gonna say shit. New contract big like I play ball, little boy ain't nothing to play with. I told her pull up, she told me she can't. Her nigga be sharing location.
In the last video with the field goal post exhaust, G said he was gonna give a free muffler delete out to someone. So let's see him do that. Did you choose a winner?
Yes, sir. Tampa Jordan. You won. Free Muffy D, as promised.
What are we giving away next? I might make something for you. Make this an ashtray. The first Gexhaust ashtray right here. Tag 2 people and then we'll give it out next week. Why are you smoking?
I'm trying to quit.
So quit then. Don't talk about it, be about it. How about you take a piss and then put out the cigarette? I think I could convince G to do a lap in the Subi. What's your favorite video game?
Mario Kart, bro, for sure. All day. That's just what I was. Baby,
Good shot, this right. Shot? Hey, watch out, man.